Hi, and welcome to CodingCraft. Today we're solving the meta puzzle tunnel time, level 2. It's a clean arithmetic and greedy problem. We'll compute tunnel time per lap, jump by full laps, then finish inside a single tunnel. Let's walk through the idea and build a compact Python solution together. Picture a circular track labeled from 0 to C. A train starts at 0 and moves clockwise at 1 meter per second, looping forever. Some stretches are tunnels that don't overlap or touch 0. Tunnel time counts only the seconds spent inside tunnels. Our task: find the first real-time tie when that tunnel time reaches k. The train may stop inside a tunnel. Each lap adds L tunnel seconds. Write k as q laps plus a remainder r. K equals q times L plus r. If r is 0, we finish at the end of the last tunnel of that lap. The time is q times c minus c, plus the end of the last tunnel. Otherwise, on the next lap, subtract tunnel lengths in order until the remainder would drop below 0 and stop inside that tunnel at its end plus r. In our example, that's position 2, for a total time of 22. Here's the plan in code. First, sort the tunnels by start. Add up all tunnel lengths to get L per lap. Divide k by L. The quotient is the number of full laps, and the remainder is what's left. If the remainder is 0, we finish at the end of the last tunnel of that lap. Time equals q times c minus c, plus the end of the last tunnel. Otherwise, on the next lap, we subtract tunnel lengths in order until the remainder would drop below 0, and stop inside that tunnel r seconds before its end, same as n plus r. That gives the final time. Final recap. Compute L. Write k as q laps plus remainder r. If r is 0, time is q times c minus c plus the end of the last tunnel. Otherwise, in the next lap, stop at the tunnel's end plus r, sort once, single pass, and we're done. Thanks for watching.